Hi there, it's Tristan Shiner from Manitoba Marketing here. I spoke with Sarah on the phone today and decided to make this quick little video for you guys with some really easy, really simple tips and tricks to increase your online presence and increase your ranking in Google. And doing so will get more people visiting your website, more views on your website, and hopefully more people clicking this little call button, this little schedule service button here. So I don't want to take up a bunch of your time, so I'm going to be nice and quick, and I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to go over three things in the video. They're going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So yeah, I'll get right into it. First, with content, Google likes a lot of words and pictures, uh, just content on your website. Now, you guys have a very nice looking website. It's very well laid out. Everything's easy. All of your backlinks work. They all lead into one another, and that's really good. Um, and personally, I don't prefer a home page to have a lot of words. Just because it can get really wordy, and you want people to take a look at your website and be uh, pleased. You want it to be pleasing to the eye, and I think you guys have done a very good job of that. But if you do that, then you have to be sure that all of the back pages, all of your service pages, everything like that, are filled with content that are going to rank your website, because Google is constantly searching over websites, combing over every single part of them, looking for keywords and key phrases to make you relevant for people's search terms. And if you don't have enough content, they're 50% of the time not even going to bother looking at your website, just because they don't feel like you have enough for them to actually look at. So the more content, the better, because then you can jam in all those buyer intent keywords, is what we call them. So keywords that people are searching when they actually want to buy your services. The second thing I'm going to look at is backlinks. So this is a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. It's a tool that I pay for monthly just to get a really good idea of what a customer's website looks like. So as we can see here, you guys have 52 referring domains giving you 218 backlinks. Now, a domain is just any other website on the internet, and the backlinks are the links linking back to your website from those domains. So 218 backlinks is a pretty good number. But if we click over or view over to this little scroll here, it's your domain rating. So that's basically how much Google trusts you, how strong your backlinks are. And it's at a 2.4, which isn't super great. So that number is determined by how much, like I said, Google trusts you. And that's based on the kind of backlinks that you have. So you have to have backlinks coming from websites and domains and other businesses, for example, that are relevant to your business. So if you guys had backlinks from, let's just say, Pizza Hut, they're not going to be they're not going to have any strength for your website. Google's going to see them as a spam kind of backlink, and they're not going to do your website any good. If anything, they might do your website more harm. So we want to make sure that we're getting good, solid, trusted backlinks from good, trusted domains. And I just brought up one of your competitors. You guys do everything to do with home repair. So I just brought up an HVAC, the top HVAC business in Brandon here, Brandon Heating and Plumbing. And as we can see here, they've got 257 backlinks coming from 88 domains. And they've got 1,400 organic keywords on their website. So that is a big bonus for them for ranking, because they have lots of keywords, lots of relevant keywords that Google has picked out for them to make them relevant. And they're getting around 676 people per month going on their website. So that is giving them lots of eyes on their business. And out of the 676 people that look at that website, even if they only get 50 people clicking on that call button, that's 50 extra jobs that they wouldn't have had otherwise. So super important to have a good ranking website that people can see and actually give you guys a call. Last thing I'm going to look at is citations. So citations are your business name, address, and phone number listed in any directory on Google. And the more citations, the better, because they're what helps you rank in the Google Map Pack. So that's that little map that comes up with all the different businesses. And in my opinion, that's one of the most important places to be in the top, because it has all of your customer reviews and ratings right out there in the open for people to look at. A good Google review is worth a lot of money. And a bad one, as most people know, is can very easily tarnish the reputation of a business. So it's super important to be high up in those, because lots of people are not going past that Google Map Pack when they're looking for services like this. When it's just residential people, commercial people are looking more in depth for who to pick, and you guys are bidding and everything. So that works a little different. But when it comes to residential, most people aren't going much farther than that Google Map Pack. They're going to pick the one that is the highest rated. So it's very important to be high up in that, just so that people are finding your website. So that's the 3 things that I have for you guys today. Again, your website looks very nice. It's very clean. And all it needs is just a little bit of help on the technical side of it, just to get it viewed more by potential customers. So if you have anything, any more questions, anything that you want to ask about, please give me an email or a call back. My phone number and email will be in the email that I send to you with this video. Sorry, I'm getting really wordy. But anyways, have yourself a very good day. Thank you very much.